Can we talk about stereotypes for a sec? Because that's a thing that pisses me off more than anything. Like, when you get into a new class and say you like makeup as a girl, that's totally fine. But the moment a guy even says anything that implies he's into makeup or fashion or anything considered girly, he's instantly labeled gay or just weird. Similar stuff happens to me too. In class I'm known as the weird emo kid with like 2 friends, when in my free time I'm really energetic and like doing theater. But of course, nobody cares to even think that there's more to someone than just what they've heard or assumed. I'm not saying you can't assume stuff, just stay open-minded and don't assume anything bad if you have nothing to back your claims. That's my statement for today. See y'all soon.